Swarovski crystal figurines have become a multi-billion-dollar industry since their introduction in 1976, and the story of their invention is very interesting. For many years, Swarovski primarily used their expertly made faceted crystals for jewelry and chandelier parts. However, the company had a groundbreaking idea to use their chandelier crystals to create animal figurines, starting with the famous crystal mouse. Swarovski craftsmen playfully experimenting in their workshop by gluing chandelier parts together, including a crystal ball and two pear-shaped pendants, to create this iconic rodent. The designer, believed to be Max Schreck, added small black beads for the eyes and either a strip of floppy leather or a tiny metal spring for the tail, resulting in this tiny and delightful whimsical creation. In a stroke of marketing genius, Swarovski gifted a tiny crystal mouse to each competitor at the 1976 Innsbruck Winter Olympics, currently taking place, and they received an enthusiastic response. This led Swarovski to create a new division and manufacture animal figurines from crystallier parts. The division was known as the Silver Crystal line. Swarovski figurines have now become the top collectible worldwide, generating billions in sales. This remarkable story of how they come to dominate the market is shared today by John from Artistry in Glass. Now do not forget to subscribe to my channel by pressing the buttons below. The keys to Swarovski's tremendous success are valuable lessons. 1. Innovative design development with high-quality materials and manufacturing methods. 2. Horizontal diversification with a wide range of figurine subjects and sizes. 3. Creative marketing strategies, including memorable campaigns like the Marilyn Monroe dress and the staging of the Oscars. 4. Subscription-based customer loyalty programs through the Swarovski Crystal Society. Point 1 on the material development. Swarovski realized that using chandelier components limited the design possibilities for their animal figurines. They began using custom molded glass and decorative metal to create more realistic-looking figures, which led to their enormous success in the crystal figurine market. Improvements in realism were made with features such as molded frosted glass for the snail's neck and the fox's tail. The iconic Mickey Mouse figurine evolved from a faceted crystal ball with gold-plated metal to molded clear crystal and finally to the current colored crystal version. Swarovski's improvement in materials was accompanied by a remarkable horizontal diversification of designs. They have continuously expanded their range of figurines to cater for the diverse interests of their customers, including animals, birds, fish, and flowers. They've also obtained licenses for iconic figures from Disney, Warner Brothers, and Pixar, while also creating their own products such as Chris Bear, dinosaurs, among many others. The third ingredient in Swarovski's recipe for success has been their creativity in product promotions. In addition to the marketing coup of gifting crystal mice to competitors at the Innsbruck Olympics, they've also been remembered for the sparkling crystal dress worn by Marilyn Monroe and the crystal displays used for the Hollywood Oscar ceremonies. The final stroke of marketing genius for Swarovski was the establishment of the Swarovski Crystal Society, the SCS, in 1987 to generate customer loyalty. This society now has over 450,000 members in more than 40 countries and offers numerous benefits, including exclusive access to the classic annual Christmas ornament, a beautiful crystal snowflake. The first year of production, 1991, is now highly collectible and sells for over $3,000. Sales incentives are also designed to increase demand, including the periodic retirement of figurines. the production of limited editions, and the restriction of many items to members of the SCS. The result of all these efforts is that Swarovski figurines are ideal and delightful collectibles, thanks to their diverse and fascinating styles, their consistent high quality and beauty. They are available in a wide range of prices from very affordable, less than $50, to extravagantly expensive, more than $30,000. In conclusion, Swarovski figurines are highly valuable and collectible, but they're also delicate and fragile. Many vintage figurines from the 1970s and 80s have broken apart due to the failure of the old glue. So if you have a broken figurine and are in the Tucson area, you can contact Artistry in Glass for free advice. We are experts in the restoration of crystal since 1986.